So we can put bacon and cheese on.
Alright, once again, we're back at it, folks. In the kitchen, do what we do best. Cooking the best small meals. Small, I guess you could call it, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm the magic man, and the magic mother, right there. About to start it up again. This time we're gonna do hamburger sliders. And here we go. Let's do it. Guys, thanks for tuning in, watching, liking, and subscribing to our video for hybrid cooking. We're going to bring you more content about what we can do that's great with small things in the kitchen. Until then, this is Rick signing off.
And this is Teresa, aka Ma Dukes, Tyree's mom. Y'all have a great day and thank you for watching.
Peace out. Take it easy.